Hello and welcome to High Lane Finance, where we reach higher. Passive income is the money you make without actively working. Investing in stocks is one way to generate this income. So if you're interested in building a passive income stream, keep watching to learn more about some of the best stocks to buy. In this video, we will talk about the best stocks you can buy to earn passive income. 4. Blue chip. Blue chip stocks are among the safest investments available in the stock market. These companies are well established with a long history of success, and they are typically leaders in their respective industries. While blue chip stocks may not offer the highest dividend yields, they are generally considered reliable investments with steady growth potential. Apple, AAPL, is one of the world's largest technology companies and is widely considered a blue chip stock. The company has a strong brand and a history of innovation and has consistently delivered strong financial results. Microsoft, MSFT, is another technology company that is considered to be a blue chip stock. The company is a leader in the software industry with a diverse portfolio of products and services. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, is a healthcare company that is considered to be a blue chip stock. The company is a leader in the pharmaceutical, medical devices, and consumer health industries and has a strong track record of financial performance. Visa, V, is a financial services company that is considered to be a blue chip stock. The company operates a global payments network and is a credit and debit card industry leader. Blue chip stocks can provide investors with a sense of security and stability, but it's important to note that no investment is entirely risk-free. As with any investment, it's essential to research and consult a financial advisor before investing in blue chip stocks. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you can get notified when we upload the next video. 3. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Exchange-traded funds are an increasingly popular option for investors seeking passive income. ETFs are similar to mutual funds but are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They typically hold a diversified portfolio of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, and they offer investors the opportunity to invest in various assets with a single investment. The Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, VYM, is a popular ETF for investors seeking exposure to high dividend yielding stocks. The ETF invests in various companies with a history of paying high dividends, such as Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and ExxonMobil. The ETF has a current dividend yield of around 3.3%. The iShares Select Dividend ETF, DVY, is another popular ETF for investors seeking exposure to dividend-paying stocks. The ETF invests in companies with a history of paying dividends and a solid financial position, such as AT&T, Chevron, and Lockheed Martin. The ETF has a current dividend yield of around 3.5%. ETFs can provide investors with a convenient and cost-effective way to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of assets. However, it's important to note that ETFs can be subject to market risks and fluctuations, and changes in the underlying assets or the broader market may impact their performance. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. These stocks are popular for investors seeking to earn passive income through the stock market. These companies own and manage real estate properties, such as office buildings, apartments, and shopping centers. They pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. Realty Income, O, is a well-known REIT specializing in retail properties. The company has a diversified portfolio of properties, including convenience stores, drugstores, and dollar stores, which helps to support its consistent earnings and dividend payments. Realty Income has a current dividend yield of around 4.5%. Digital Realty Trust, DLR, is an REIT specializing in data center properties. As the demand for cloud computing and digital services continues to grow, the need for data center space is also increasing, which makes Digital Realty Trust an attractive investment option. The company has a current dividend yield of around 3.2%. The company has a global portfolio of cell tower properties, which helps to support its consistent earnings and dividend payments. American Tower Corp has a current dividend yield of around 1.5%. 1. Dividend stocks. These stocks are an excellent option for investors earning passive income. These types of stocks are known for paying out regular dividends to shareholders, which can provide a reliable source of income. Coca-Cola, KO, has been a well-known consumer goods company paying dividends for over a century. The company has a long history of success and a strong brand, which helps to support its dividend payments. Coca-Cola's current dividend yield is around 3%, making it an attractive option for income-oriented investors. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. The company has a diversified portfolio of products and services, which helps to support its consistent earnings and dividend payments. Johnson & Johnson has a current dividend yield of around 2.6%. Procter & Gamble, PG, is another consumer goods company known for its reliable dividends. Procter & Gamble has a current dividend yield of around 2.4%. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding some options for earning passive income through the stock market. Remember to always do your research and invest wisely. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.